Guys, everyone, Akshay Rashekhan coming here. Today I have one of the most exciting news and a suspense to you guys also. See, I like technologies, using gadgets, luxury. I want the things to be in the most easiest way. And see, I like technologies which disrupt the current system, and I like everything. See, everyone loves, right? We want the most sophisticated things. We want everything luxury. We want to like rule the world from the tip of our fingers. And today I'll tell you what are the top technologies, how it is disrupted current system, and what will be the next big thing. Catching trends early adopters get everything, remember that. And let's go on. See, everyone knows what is Netflix. You guys tell me in the comments wherever you're watching from, whether YouTube, Facebook or Instagram. See, Netflix, it's a collection of movies, right? See, 3 years, 5 years down the line, people used to go to a movie and they used to watch the movies. Right now, it doesn't happen, right? Very less percentage of people go to movies like theaters and watch by purchasing CDs or something. The entire system is today disrupted. And the next thing is, see, I have taken CDs and DVDs like last 3 years, 4 years back. Until now I haven't used any DVD to watch a movie. Next thing, Ola, Uber. See, now what happens? People from the comfort of their house. Previously, what was happening? People used to go on the roads, baya, taxi, bro, taxi, they used to shout, right? Taxi, and it was not so good, and it was one of the very big problems. But today, from the tip of your fingers, you book a app from your mobile, like Ola, Uber is there almost in all the countries in America, Europe, everywhere, and you get him, and very easily you put the location where to go, it will drop you. And the third thing is, still it is under implementation, it's not until large scale. See, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, it's something like, see, suppose you want to transfer money, suppose I want to transfer money to someone. Why should a third party bank person be in the intermediator? It's your money and my money, right? Why should you pay some amount of fees or something, or for the transaction, all this happen? Why should you go to a third party? Bitcoin, cryptocurrency removes the third party, peer-to-peer, one of the most safest peer-to-peer blockchain. Every block is connected, more secure and very fastest way. Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these things, newly it's coming. And let's go fourth, e-commerce. Let's see what's the biggest giant, who is the billionaire today, like in the top, Jeff Bezos. Amazon, which was founded like in 1997 or something, 2000. During that time, many people laughed and they said it won't work out. But today, which is the biggest billion-dollar company, it's like Amazon, right? All the material you will be able to buy, whether it's like clothes or laptops, electronics, everything you are getting. Same in India, and there are many things. In China, it is like Alibaba, Jack Ma founded, and Flipkart, Jenny Bensal and his guy, 2 people from IIT found it out, and that's how e-commerce work. And these days no one goes to mall. Of course, still many people go, but majority are buying from the online thing. And next thing is social media. After Facebook and Instagram coming, it has become so easier for people to like message, and it's like absolutely free. Previously, if anyone wants to do a video call or something, it was costing. Now it's absolutely free. Airbnb, it's like booking system. If anyone wants to book a room or hotel, it's like so easy, right? And that's how now comes my part, like courses. I've taken so many courses, so many mentors, all this one. And I feel this is one of the best. ClickFunnels announced like it's 5 years birthday. What is ClickFunnels? And I'll tell you what is ClickFunnels, everything in my next video. It announced, it is called FunnelFlex. It is a Netflix of online digital marketing courses. Best of the best courses. I mean, best means the people who have made like more than 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. You'll be learning straight from them. Why do you want to learn from someone who doesn't know anything, right? You'll be able to learn all these things. Like what Tony Robbins tells, one of the best personal coach in the world. Money mindset, personal development, traffic secrets, affiliate marketing, one funnel away challenge. It's like so many things. Every single thing for you to succeed online is today here. And I will make a very detailed video in my next thing. What is the plans, everything. This is like the trailer thing, and do let me know. Early adopters get everything, and there is special discounts and many more things if you join right now, and it's all like priced like very nominal. See, you will be having seminars worth like $10,000, which is like 7 lakhs Indian rupees inside. The very nominal One Funnel Away Challenge, one of the best courses in the world. Anyone can take the books, the courses, everything, every single thing for you to succeed is there. And this is like Netflix of online digital marketing courses for you to succeed. And I hope this video helps you, and thank you guys, and like, share and subscribe so that you will be coming to know about these videos. To subscribe, and it's all like catching trends. The people who comes first will get everything, guys. That's what happens. And see you soon. Bye bye in my next video.